Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Coreldraw tutorial how to add shadow. So as example you can draw a rectangle and I will fill into a red color. Now if you want to add shadow into this rectangle object, you can use the shadow tools. Click this icon and then click like in the right here, so it will be show for the single shadow like this. Or if you want to create in a two side, you can click from the center point, hold, and then you can move to here. To change the color, go to this option, shadow color, like you can set into this color or another color. So that's it for basic Corel Draw tutorial, how to add shadow.